Microsoft includes so many features within Business Central that they actually began to clutter the page. So, it was a no-brainer when Microsoft added functionality to hide certain elements, but they took it one step further by adding a wide layout feature. What's the benefit of a wide layout feature? Well, there are many, but the most obvious is being able to see more columns without having to scroll when you're working on certain pages in Business Central. This is the wide layout feature for Business Central. It's really simple. It's all about maximizing all the space on your office or home computer screen. You can see that there's a lot of white space here, a lot of white space over here. All you need to do is whenever you're on a page, you see this little double-sided arrow here. It says show wide layout view. Just select it. And just like that, Business Central extends, and you now see more of everything you need on the page.